The head valve controls the flow of air into the cylinder. When the trigger is pulled, it creates an imbalance in pressure between the cylinder and the air reservoir. This imbalance allows the head valve to open, which fires the piston. Over time, the seals on the head valve can harden and crack. The valve body itself can also crack. When this happens, you will usually have air leaking from the gun's exhaust. Replacing the head valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the head assembly from the gun. With the head assembly removed from the gun, now I can remove the head valve. To do that, I'll just tap the head against a flat surface. I'll remove the spring from the head valve and the O-rings. Now I can install the new head valve. First, I'll reinstall the O-rings. Now I can install the head valve back into the head. First the spring, and then the head valve. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the head assembly. And that's all it takes to replace the head valve in your nail gun.